Seventh question is a square pyramid resting on HP, making its edge an angle 60 to VP and axis making an angle 45 degree to HP. Okay, I'm taking the dimension as 25 and 50. 50 is the height and 25 is the base dimension. Okay, since it is resting on edge, we can make the edge that we are considering either parallel to HP or perpendicular to HP. It is okay if you draw the plan of the pyramid where edges are making equal angles with the XY line. In this case, I am drawing it as one of the edge parallel to HP. Edge is parallel to XY line. Okay, and I marked it as A, B, C, D, E, and O. So this is the plan of the square pyramid. Now we'll draw the elevation. In elevation, we can see it as a triangle because the side is parallel to vertical plane. Okay, and we can mark the axis also. Now we have to rotate it in clockwise direction so that the axis, the axis which is passing through the point O is making an angle 45 degree to HP, which we can see in elevation. Okay, this is the line for the axis. I marked the axis. Then I am trying to transfer rest of the points onto this axis and making the edge CD touching the HP. Now we have to draw the plan. Okay, so when we see it from the top, we'll be seeing the triangular face AOB, and the edge DO and CO will also be visible, whereas the edge C and D is invisible, or it is hidden. So first we shall draw whichever the edges that are visible as a solid line. We can also mark the axis of the pyramid. Okay, so the edge CD is hidden. I'm going to make that edge inclined 60 degree to VP. So I'll draw a line 60 degree to VP. Another condition that is given in the question is we have to assume that apex of the pyramid is away from the XY line, okay, or away from the pyramid VP vertical plane, and it is on the right side. So when we draw it, when you rotate it, you have to make sure that these conditions are satisfied. I have rotated it clockwise so that the apex is on the right side, and that side CD is making an angle 60 degree. Okay, if it has to be on left side, you have to rotate it further and make it on the left side, apex on the left side. Now the apex is on the right side and the edge is making an angle 60 degree to VP. It is not the axis, it is the edge, one of the edge on which it is resting. It is resting on edge CD. So that edge we have made at an angle 60 degree to VP, which we can see as 60 degree to XY line. Then we draw the elevation using projectors, mark all points. So in this case also, when we see from the front side which all edges will be visible, we should be able to see. So when we rotate it this way, we shall